Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use data validation with date. So let's understand the example. We have these locations mentioned over here, and these are the products mentioned, and these are the units that were sold. We need to get the dates also entered for these sales, and so that there's no error in data entry, we want to put in place some checks, some validations for dates. So we will select this area and go to the data tab and click on data validation and choose date. It gives you multiple options starting from in between, not between, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So let's say equal to, all right. And you can either type that date in or select a containing that date. So like I've selected this, and I can give in any input message, like I can say guide. It has to be the date mentioned in cell H3. All right. It has to be the date mentioned in cell H3. And the error alert is already there. You can even put in an error alert like the way we put in an input message. Give it a title and give it a message. Click on OK. Now, as soon as somebody clicks away, it says that it has to be the date mentioned in cell H3. This is cell H3. Now, let me type anything. Line August. It's not a line that. Retry again. 9th September. It allows. Let me type in 19 September. Because we did not put data validation everywhere. Why is it happening? Let us see. What did we use? Date has to be equal to H4. And actually, it says H4. It should must be H3. See, it is saying H5. Reason is that when we put this validation in over here, we had to fix it by pressing F4. This places a dollar symbol before H, which represents the column, and 3, which represents the row. So now, when this is copied across, the validation would be looking at cell H3 only across the complete range. Now let's type in something. 8 September. No, doesn't allow. 9 September. Allowed. 19 September. Allowed. See? So this is how data validation with date works. You can practice more to use how date between, not between, equal to. This is pretty similar to what we are doing. Just ensure that your formatting is correct. You have the same formatting in the reference and in the range. So this is how you use data validation with date in Excel. See you in the next video.